we're doing our regular maintenance on the lawn for this day. We obviously want to keep going with the process, and to not bore, I ended up sweeping piles of leaves there. So there's like about 5 or 6. These trees are going to be cut down as well. I'm not sure about it if it's going to be today, but I'm definitely trying to take out all the debris. As you can see, it looks so clear compared to how it was. It's just crazy how big of a difference it is. And we obviously have this portion here, and that's all that's left. Update on the tree: it hasn't been cut down, but it will be. That's the plan. And the process of this has been a lengthy one, but it's very important for me to document because I want to see how everything ends up turning out. It's so crazy how this started off to be so bushy. Obviously we had everything, so many bushes and trees, and how this has turned out. I want to keep on building onto that, just seeing from how it was and seeing how it's turning out. It's just such a cool process. So let's keep going. I have the 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 over there. I did create another one here, but this is a lot of leaves. Yes, like all across, right? Yep, let me get the barrel to pick them up, because I kept on doing the piles, babe. That's how you want to line them up? They look pretty. Yeah, because you're going to be filling everything up, right? So portion by portion. I think this is so pretty. Let me pick these piles up. But yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. They're all planted now. Wow, babe. They look really nice. So pretty. Beautiful. I have to do a little before and after. This is the choy plant. This one is getting. Wow. So pretty. Gotta start eating it. I gotta take these onion chives. I love onion chives, so I gotta take them. Look at how pretty the bonsai trees that Tommy has. So cute. And then this is another one that he's having it bent. It can be a bent bonsai. And I know I did the peppers 2 days ago, but look at them. They're just thriving. This is a really big one right here. And then where's the tomato? Look at the tomato. So cute. It's growing. It's beautiful. Okay, so we are going to do some shopping, like a restock everything. I have to get a lot of like house cleaning products, hygiene, and do some grocery shopping as well. So we're gonna go ahead and do all of that. But oh my goodness, look at this. Tommy ended up planting those in, and they make the house look awesome. It looks so beautiful. Love it. These are pretty. Looks like we have it, right? These are beautiful. So pretty. What is it called? Perennial? Jenna, look at this big.
That is a rosé.
Rosé?
Yeah, some shit.
This one too. All of these are just like so pretty. Which one are we gonna get? Yes, way rose. That's what I'm saying. What do you think? Okay, this is honestly really cool. This is from, let me see here, Krispy Kreme, Chips Ahoy. Oh my goodness. These are the Boston cream. You get one of each, of course.
Give me like diabetes.
Diabetes in a donut. What is those things on top?
Cookie.
Oh, Chips Ahoy does. So this is the cilantro, and I guess you consider this successful. So I'm gonna get some of it now, and that is the AC. Should get it. This is very cut. So she's called a cross Sandra.
Cross. It's Cassandra. Orange. PHP. I don't know.
Still, she's pretty.
Yeah, orange Cassandra. These are pretty cool because every morning the flowers, they bloom. And then by nighttime they all fall down. And then in the morning a new set of flowers bloom. And then when you look, you zoom in, you can see all the future flowers, sets of flowers that are gonna bloom in the days to come.
That is so cool. And then these are the other ones. He ended up separating them and putting them into 4 pots. There's also these beautiful plants here. What's funny about these are called oleander. And fun fact, when we were in high school, our school was located on the street Oleander. But I just thought that was really funny and cute. These grow from 8 to 12 feet tall. And it just has like a whole bunch of those pink, pretty flowers. They're just so pretty. So these are also gonna be going to the front, and just so excited. I love that. Nice. And of course, I keep on picking up the piles. Look at that. Okay, so obviously we still have to put the rest of the leaves, but they need to be painted because Tommy and Miss London ends up painting these leaves because she loves painting. But the point is that we need more leaves, and he ended up putting the other 4, and they look so pretty. I have been trying to bring down these piles, and I did like 1.5, but I'm still working on that, so that needs to be cleared. But they look so good. Oh, my bad, baby. But it looks so pretty.